Ever wonder why a hot cup of coffee feels completely different from touching an ice cube? It's not just about the obvious difference in temperature. There's a whole hidden world inside your skin and brain that makes these sensations feel so unique. There's actually a reason for that, and it's not just your imagination. Your body is wired to experience warmth and coolness in ways that are surprisingly complex and honestly, pretty fascinating. Science has just uncovered something wild about how our brains handle temperature. Turns out, warm and cool take totally different highways to get to your brain. It's like your body has a secret transportation system with separate lanes for every sensation you feel. So, get this. A recent study tracked exactly how temperature signals race through your body. Scientists used high-tech sensors and clever experiments to watch how your nerves react the instant you touch something hot or cold. They found that the nerves in your skin don't treat all sensations equally. Nope, your skin is packed with special nerve endings, and some are tuned just for warmth, while others are all about the cold. When you feel warmth, those signals take a slow and steady route to your brain. It's almost like your body is saying, "Hey, this is nice, let's enjoy it for a while." That's why warmth often feels gentle, soothing, and comforting. But when you feel cool, like grabbing a freezing can from the fridge, those signals zip along a much faster, twistier path. Your body is built to react quickly to cold, which can sometimes mean danger. So those signals are like an express train to your brain. It's like warm and cool each have their own VIP entrance. Scientists used live tracking tech to watch these signals split off and head to totally separate places upstairs. They could literally see the difference in real time, as if your brain was running two different apps at once. Let me break it down. Imagine two roads, one red and one blue. These roads never cross, and each one is designed for a specific kind of traffic. The red road is smooth and relaxed. That's warmth. It's like a lazy Sunday drive where everything feels mellow and unhurried. The blue road, full of twists and turns, that's cool. It's fast, a little wild, and keeps you on your toes, just like a sudden splash of cold water. This explains why a blast of cold air feels sharp and sudden, but slipping into a warm bath feels like your whole body is melting into bliss. Warmth wraps around you, while cold wakes you up in an instant. Think about it. When you plop an ice pack on your arm versus a heating pad, your reactions are completely different, right? One makes you tense up, the other makes you sigh with relief. That's your brain processing two totally different signals, in two totally different ways. It's almost like your brain is running two separate programs, each with its own set of instructions. Now, when those signals reach your brain, it gets even cooler. Pun absolutely intended. Your brain doesn't just notice the temperature, it actually lights up in different spots depending on whether you're feeling hot or cold. Different regions in your brain wake up for warm and for cool. It's like having two separate teams, each ready to handle their own kind of emergency or comfort. So when you jump into a cold shower, your alert center lights up, making you feel sharp and awake. That's why cold showers are famous for jolting you into action and boosting your energy. But when you relax in a hot bath, it's the chill-out part of your brain that gets going, giving you that pure relaxation vibe. Warmth helps your body unwind, lowers your stress, and even helps you sleep better. Seriously, it's like your brain has separate playlists for hot and cold. Each one sets a totally different mood, and you can switch between them just by changing what you touch or feel. So, next time you sip an iced latte, walk outside into the blazing summer sun, or bundle up against the winter wind, remember, your brain isn't just getting a temperature update. It's actually running a full-on sensory experience with different emotions and reactions for every degree of hot or cold. It's actually getting two messages on two different channels that never cross. Your brain keeps these signals separate so you can react quickly and appropriately to whatever you're feeling. That's why cold can feel like a slap, and warmth can feel like a slow hug. It's your body's way of telling you what's urgent and what's safe. It all comes down to how your nerves and brain are wired. This wiring is the result of millions of years of evolution, helping us survive in a world full of temperature changes. And here's a fun fact you can try at home. Your brain can't mix these two signals. No matter how hard you try, your brain will always keep hot and cold in their own lanes. So if you touch something hot and something cold at the same time, like an ice cube in one hand and a warm mug in the other, your brain basically goes, "Wait, what?" It's a sensory puzzle your brain can't quite solve, and it feels super weird. It's a weird sensation you just have to experience for yourself. Try it and let me know in the comments how it feels. I bet you'll be surprised at how your brain tries to make sense of it. If you love science facts that totally change how you see the world, hit that subscribe button and check out these videos for more brain-bending discoveries. There's a whole universe of weird and wonderful science out there, and we're just getting started. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay curious and keep exploring the amazing ways your brain and body work together every single day.